Well, hello. During this season of love, I have a personal message that will greatly benefit couple love, romance, and family. This heartfelt message about relationship goals, kindness, and romantic love will give you absolute success in your relationship. First, choose to be attentive to your mate's best interest. Find out what their love language is. Learn to speak their language fluently and frequently. Be intentional about speaking their language, whether it's gift giving, acts of service, quality time, words of affirmation, or physical touch. So these things will greatly give you success because it will communicate the love you have for your mate to your mate. Now fly, my lovebirds, fly.